Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you back to my channel. Make sure to hit subscribe because I want you to be notified of whenever I release a video so you can learn more than you knew before you started watching this video. Today I want to talk to you about how much is this whole trademark thing going to set me back. Tell me the exact cost down to the penny because I want to know how much I should be budgeting for my trademark application. If you're someone that is extremely committed to your business and you know that you want to protect your brand or the business name that you have worked so hard to come up with, or even that logo that the designer designed for you, I want to make sure that you're aware of the cost to protect it. You see, I see a trademark registration as insurance for your brand. If anything goes wrong, if someone tries to steal your name, if someone tries to pull a copycat on your logo or create something similar to the logo that you have, then you need to pull out your trademark registration certificate, and that in essence is your leverage. Because without leverage, you are going to have to apply common law trademark rights, and sometimes that can be a little more difficult than just having a trademark registration, which will allow you to take advantage of all of the benefits of a trademark registration, including suing those copycats in federal court. Something that you would not be able to do if you only had a common law trademark right assertion. So how much is this thing going to set me back? There is an option to spend only $225, and the difference between those two applications is this. So the least expensive option available to you is going to be the Tease Plus application. The cost is $225. Now, do they allow payment plans? No. Do you have to pay all of it up front? Yes. What if you have more than one class of goods? Do you have to pay for all of those classes from the get-go? Yes, you do. So no matter which application you choose, whether it's the Tease Plus or the Tease RF, you are going to have to pay the full application fee up front, and you're also going to have to pay for all of the identifications of goods and services that you choose within the application. Well, I always use the application that costs $275. So I have already told you that the Tease Plus application is the least expensive option. Now, the difference between the Tease Plus and the Tease RF application is that with the Tease Plus application, a list is going to populate of the different identification of goods and services. You will be able to select which one applies to your business. Now, with the Tease RF application, you are going to be able to actually type in a specific description of goods or services for your business. So let's say something on the list doesn't sound quite right and you need to be able to tweak it. Well, you're not going to be able to do that with the Tease Plus application, but you will be able to do that with the Tease RF application. The Tease RF application is the one that I would say I use most of the time because it allows me to craft and customize the right description for my clients. I do not like using the Tease Plus application if I am filing something a little bit more complex. So it depends on what you want to file and how much you want to spend. So if you found this video useful, make sure that you hit subscribe down below so you can be notified when I release another video, which will help you through your trademark journey.